This beautiful 50-foot-long flybridge cruiser has a surprising amount of room aboard. This is the Majesty 50 luxury yacht, and it's also known as the flybridge cruiser. As you can see, the bridge is right on top, which gives you the feeling of flying through the air as you cruise. Today, we'll be looking at all three decks: the flybridge, the main deck where your lounge and dining area is, as well as the lower deck where the cabins are. At the end of the video, we'll also be introducing a practical tip on how you can keep your monthly maintenance costs really low. Welcome to the air-conditioned lounge area, where there are sofas for friends and families to gather together and relax, enjoy the TV, and even a Bose surround sound system. And in fact, this area has 2 sofas, which makes a very cozy area for gatherings. And right next to the lounge area is where the kitchen area is, very conveniently situated so that you can easily serve your drinks and get your drinks from here. Also, the freshwater tank is 366 liters in volume and is used for cooking. So for a day trip, each person needs about 5 to 25 liters of water, and you have plenty to spare. You also have a dinette, which is your own dining area. So if you so choose to have your meal indoors, in the air-conditioned area, you can always have it here. And right beside the dinette, it is the helm station inside the saloon. And over here, you can also pilot the yacht from here. And the system allows the control to be toggled between the flybridge helm and the side. Over here, you also have the GPS, autopilot, depth sounder, VHF radio, and everything you need for navigation. As you can see, most of the deckings and furnishings are made of lacquered timber and teak. And they're not just elegant looking, but they also made a luxurious trim for the boat. These woods have an exceptionally high tensile strength, and they are also naturally a non-slip surface. Plus, they are also very resistant to weather, rotting, and fungus. Over here, we have a double-bed guest cabin that can comfortably and easily fit 2 people, very cozy, and there's even space for storage over here. And this is the guest bathroom. Everything you need is in here. There's a sink, there's a shower, there's a toilet. And you know what? You can look out when you shower. Wow, so luxurious! And of course, this is the master cabin. This is the most spacious and luxurious cabin on board. There's a double bed, storage is below the bed, as well as over here at the sides. And the master cabin also comes with its own ensuite bathroom, where you also have a sink, toilet, and an outside view while you shower. Gulf Craft has been building luxury yachts like this for over 4 decades, and this one is no exception to their quality. Many of the boats are seen in the marinas of France, Italy, and Spain. This yacht can accommodate 28 people. And it's just amazing to enjoy the wind here, isn't it? This part over here also opens up to a barbecue station, and it comes with a tap. And here on the flybridge, there are even more seats where you can enjoy a morning coffee with a sunrise or even a seafood dinner at sunset.